Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel today. We're bringing you some exciting news for all those looking for a comfortable home in Nellore. We've got a fantastic 3-bedroom apartment available for rent in the prime location of James Garden. Located in a bustling area, this flat offers easy access to ATMs, train stations, schools and colleges, grocery stores, malls, and hospitals. This spacious flat is east-facing and comes with all necessary amenities. Your rent includes maintenance costs, and you can move into your new home as it's currently vacant. The monthly rent is just 18,000 rupees. So if you're interested in this fantastic opportunity, or know someone who might be interested, don't hesitate to share this video with them. And as always, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more updates on property listings around Nellore. Thanks for tuning in today.